Okay, in this question you're asked to express these two as a single logarithm. And this is not a bad idea to treat them as two separate things. But the problem is, like if I had ln of 2 minus ln of 3, I've got the quotient rule there. I can say ln of 2 over 3. Done. But this one, I've got more things in here and in there, and I have a number out front there too that I have to deal with. So the way you can deal with it so that you can get it to this step here is you can use the power law and put that back up top here. But the problem is when you put it back up top, let me rewrite it. So ln of 4w to the 6th. When you put it back up top here, you have to take all of this and raise it to that power. So it'll be the 3 halves. I'll do the same thing on the next one. Ln of 2m to the 5th to the 4/5. Now I use the exponent, the power of a product rule, to apply that 3 halves to both factors inside the brackets. So it has to go to that one and to that one. Same thing here, that one and that one. So I'm going to have then ln of, 4 to the 3 halves. That's the same as the square root of 4 cubed, or the square root of 4 all cubed. And the square root of 4 is 2, and 2 cubed is 8. So this would be 8. And then 6 times 3 halves, 6 times 3 halves will be 18 over 2, or 9. So this will be W9 minus ln, do the same thing, 2 to the 4/5. I don't know what that'll be. 2 to the 4/5. That'll be the 5th root of 2 to the 4th is 16. I guess you could leave it like that. So this will be the 5th root of 16. It'd be nice if it had come out like that. And then 5 times 4/5 would be 20 over 5, or 4, m to the 4th. There we go. Now I have it in the right form that I can apply the quotient law to it. So I'm taking the ln of this minus the ln of that. So to put it as one logarithm, I can do the ln of 8w to the 9th over the 5th root of 16, m to the 4th. And you could leave it like that. You might re-express that as 16 to the 1/5. But you could interchange. It'd be nice to be able to simplify that more, but I don't think that you can. Oh, just a minute. Just a minute. Maybe you can. So maybe I should have left this as 2 to the 4/5. Let me go back and do that. Just a second. So it'll be ln. And then on the top, I'm just seeing the 8 and 16, and bells are starting to ring. So 8 is the same thing as 2 cubed, W9, over. And then this had originally come from that. So I'm just going to leave it like that, 2 to the 4/5. And then m to the 4th. So now I have same base. I can subtract their exponents. So this would be ln of 2 to the 3rd divided by 2 to the 4/5. If you're dividing common bases, the 2's, subtract their exponents. So 3 take away 4/5. 2 to the 3 take away 4/5. So it would be like 15/5 minus 4/5 be 11/5. So 2 to the 11/5, W9 over M4. That would be it as expressed as a single logarithm. All right, hopefully that helps you out. I shouldn't have done this square root of 16 gig thing because, because it was it was easier to write it as 2 to the 4/5, and then I can divide common bases, add or subtract exponents. Alright, hopefully that helps.